Good morning, this is Cousin Marv from Timeless Dollar, and this is a chart of the S&P 500 E-mini, and you're looking at the chart on the day of, I've got my cursor on Friday, September 13th, and let's see what we can glean from this chart. Now on Friday the 13th, the market tested a top that was established back here on July 26th. It tested the top, but it retracted back down to a level below the previous day. Now, if you've taken my course, or if you know something about reading candlesticks, you know what this pattern is. And if you don't know what this pattern is, this is a bearish harami. Bearish harami foretells a market reversal. Will it reverse? Well, that's the question, isn't it? What you want to know as a trader is which way the market is going to go. You want to read these candles like a fortune teller reads tea leaves and know which way the market is going to go into the future. As a day trader, we're only interested in the particular day that we're trading, right? So let me give you a little bit of insight into how to trade consistently and profitably. And that means reduce your risk. So in trading, what do you want to do? You want to trade with as little risk as possible, or better yet, bring that risk down to zero. How can you do that as a trader? I can show you how to do that. If you listen to me, if you follow what I'll teach you, you'll trade consistently and profitably, because my way of trading reduces the risk to virtually zero. Why would you trade? Why would you get into a trade, watch it run away from you, and hang on? That's rule number one. And in my course, my rules are what I consider among the most important things to know and to keep in mind while you trade. The rules I give you will keep you safe and will keep you in the game. I'll teach you how to trade with as little risk as possible. Most people who trade lose money. It's a fact. It's a fact. You know it, and I'm telling you in case you didn't know. Most people who trade lose money. Don't be like most people. Take my course, I'll teach you how to trade profitably and consistently, and I'll prove it to you in the course. Take my course. It's called Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom, and you can get it on my site at timelessdollar.com. So go to my site, sign up for my course. Oh, by the way, if you don't like it, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So I'm trying to help you. If you're not willing to invest in yourself, you're not willing to learn how to trade, and you'll trade and lose money and be like the other 90% or maybe 95% of people who lose money. Don't be like those people. This is Cousin Marv from Timeless Dollar, and I hope to see you in my course. Thanks for watching.